Retroid has made plenty of great handhelds over the years, but I don't think I've seen this much excitement around one of their devices in a long time. On paper, it almost sounds confusing. The Retroid Pocket Nova uses the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 as the Retroid Pocket 6. Performance is basically the same, so why is everyone suddenly talking about the Nova instead? Is it really that different, or is it just another Retroid device and the hype will die down in a few months? The biggest reason is that the Nova gives retro games the kind of display people have been asking for. Instead of another widescreen panel, Retroid chose a 4.5-inch 4:3 OLED screen. That one decision changes the whole experience. If your library is filled with CRT-era games, almost everything naturally fills the screen. And on top of that, it comes with a powerful Snapdragon chip, and we all know why that's important. A 4:3 screen isn't anything new, and neither is a Snapdragon processor. But putting both together is what makes the Retroid Pocket Nova so damn good. The Retroid Pocket 6 isn't suddenly bad or outdated because of its screen. It just has different priorities now. That larger widescreen OLED works much better for modern HD-era games. It used to be the all-rounder you could pick with your eyes closed, something a beginner could buy and still be completely satisfied with. And now, you have more options to choose from. Another reason the Nova gets so much attention is that it doesn't sacrifice performance. Both handhelds use Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, so you're getting the same flagship performance. So you still have the option to try more demanding systems like Switch. And since it's still Snapdragon, you also get turnip driver support, which continues to be one of the biggest advantages for these chips. A lot of people also worry about black bars appearing in modern games. Many Android games automatically adjust to different screen shapes. Some older PC games running through Game Native or Banner Hub also support native 4:3 resolutions, so they can render perfectly without black bars. But you really can't avoid them in widescreen systems. PSP, Wii U, Switch, and many newer PC games will still show black bars, but that doesn't really matter if you're buying it for retro games in the first place. And if you really must play HD titles, you can connect it to a TV and use it like a home console. Even though the internals are the same, they managed to make the Retroid Pocket Nova even lighter and more compact than before. At around 260 grams, it's lighter than the Pocket 6. The flat back and rounded corners also make it comfortable to hold. However, the Pocket 6 feels more premium in some areas. It has a larger screen, a stronger vibration motor, and its programmable buttons are placed on the back, which many people find more convenient. It also includes a dust filter for its cooling system. Those aren't huge differences, but they show what the Pocket Nova had to sacrifice to achieve its slimmer body. Retroid didn't simply make another bigger handheld. Instead of chasing larger screens or higher resolutions, they built something with a clear purpose. That's probably the biggest reason the Nova has received so much attention. The hype is about finally getting flagship performance in a handheld that feels purpose-built for retro gaming.